Welcome to Daily Justice Files.
1826A, State of Texas versus John Ray Perez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Gary.
Defense?
Phyllis Field.
And are you Mr. Perez? Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Perez, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it? Next, I'm going to show you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? All right, I'm going to need you to speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Perez, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with burglary of a building with intent to commit theft? That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I'm going to need you all not to talk in the box while we're on the record. All right, that's okay. Everyone, in this court, we try to make everybody's job as pleasant and as easy as possible. So that helps the court reporter out. And everyone knows we have a new court reporter. So we're trying to make her enjoy her time here. All right, so let me see where I left off. All right. Did you understand if you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargain agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that the court would grant your application for deferred adjudication? If for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Perez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, there should be a $1,500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. There's to be restitution to Michael John McLaughlin, McLaughlin. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
It is, Your Honor. There's one exception. We are going to ask for a PSI in this case, and also we're going to ask for a restitution.
All right. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you the paragraph entitled Waiver of Appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. The state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 2 years. There be 150 hours community service restitution and no contact with Michael John McLaughlin. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence to support the plea?
Yes, the state office state exhibit number 1 with all of its attachments, Your Honor.
No objection.
Mr. Perez, I'm showing you what's entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
A burglary suspect expected a routine probation hearing, but one honest confession changed everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, the court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. We are back on the record. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, just that this is the first offense, that he has no priors at all. And he has a job, he's doing most things right. And we would like for you to falsely bargain and also allow us to have the restitution.
All right, Mr. Perez,
Yes, ma'am.
who is Valerie Espinosa to you?
My ex-girlfriend's mother.
All right, and Starlin Rodriguez,
That's my ex-girlfriend.
do you have any children with her?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any children?
I have children also.
What are their ages
5 and 4.
and where are they now?
They're with the mother of my children.
Do you see them
Yes. Yeah,
How-
every weekend.
every weekend? Is that according to some court order or that's just some agreement you worked out?
It's those are the only days I get off. But I wasn't by court.
All right, and what do you do?
I work for American Greetings,
Doing what?
stocking the greeting cards at Walmart's and Targets.
I remember growing up, we would sell greeting cards during the Christmas holiday, and that's how you made extra money.
Yes.
When you said you were working at American Greetings, I was like, are you writing?
I don't know.
Okay. All right, so if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
That would be positive.
Okay, what are you going to be positive for?
Marijuana.
And what else?
It's marijuana.
All right, because I can have you drug tested today. Here's the thing about the questions that I asked you. I'm asking you because I don't do cookie cutter. I don't do cookie cutter probation. Everybody doesn't get the same thing. Sometimes people need more than others. And usually with regards to what people will be positive for, usually I'll start you off with outpatient treatment or either intensive outpatient treatment. But if you're dishonest, that's where we have a problem because you all have come up with an agreement for you to be on probation. I want you to be successful at probation if I go along with it. I take no joy in sending people to prison, but I think your attorney in the state will tell you I will send people to prison, but I take no joy in it. So I want you to be successful at it. I don't want you to come back here because you're being unsuccessful or because I'm not giving you something that you need. So is it just going to be marijuana?
It'll be marijuana and crystal meth.
All right. So how often are you doing crystal meth?
Not much.
What does not much mean?
Every week.
Okay. Let me explain to you. Doing meth every week, that's a lot. And I know sometimes when you're in the throes of your addiction, you don't see it as a lot, but it is a lot. Okay.
Since I got this case, I've been trying to quit filters. So
I don't know. Sometimes, it's hard.
Yeah.
Sometimes people say they want to give up soda, but it calls your name as you're walking down the aisles at the grocery store. You want to stop eating ice cream and you try to test yourself. You walk past where the candy aisle is and the ice cream and you're thinking, I've made it. But then the ice cream is like, hi, my name is Bluebell. The chocolate is good today. I say this from my own experience.
And mine.
Yes. All right. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to follow your agreement. I'm going to sentence you to the 2 years deferred adjudication, a $1,500 fine that will be probated. Let me ask you this. When you have the children for the weekend, is there someone else with you?
No.
That's a problem. Are your parents here or somebody who can be with you when you watch the children?
Yeah.
All right, because I'm going to order for now that you not have unsupervised contact. Do you understand why?
What?
Hmm?
Um,
Do you understand why I'm saying that?
no,
All right. So, do you love your two children?
listen,
All right. So let's say you need a babysitter for your children. You talk to Phyllis, you talk to your mom, and your mom tells you, hey, this Stephanie Boyd person, she's a great babysitter. And you check my references. I babysat the president of the United States children. Everybody just loves me. But you're like, I love my children. They're the most precious things to me on this earth. I want to see how she is around my children. So I come over and you watch me with your children. I'm like the Black Mary Poppins. Your children love me. We're singing songs. And you say, oh my gosh, she's so great. And your children is like, please, Daddy. They're looking at you with the eyes, like the Puss in Boots eyes. They're looking at you, Daddy, please let us have Stephanie as a babysitter. And you say, okay, you're hired. And as I'm walking out the door, I say, oh my gosh, I got this job. I love your children. And then I come back. I said, look, I need to be honest with you. I'm going to test positive for marijuana if you drug test me. I use meth, but I don't use it that much. I only use it once a week. Do you still hire me to watch your children?
No.
Why not?
because they'll be around my children.
What started as a simple court hearing quickly turned into a powerful conversation about addiction, family, and second chances.
See, and that's what you're doing. So that is why. Now, I may change it, but for now, you can still have your children for the weekend, but it's going to have to be supervised by your mom or dad. You understand?
Right.
And once you get clean and sober, probation will tell me, and that will be changed. Okay. I'm doing this so that your children are protected, but you can still have some time with them. So that's a goal you can reach. All right. So it's going to be 2 years deferred adjudication, no unsupervised contact with minors, proof of employment within 15 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular UAs. Field visits 2 times per month until further notice. I'm going to want a TAP evaluation. If the TAP evaluation says outpatient treatment, we're going to start with intensive outpatient treatment. If it says inpatient treatment, we're going to start with intensive outpatient treatment. So I'm giving you a chance. If he ends up testing positive for meth after 2 weeks, then we're going to do a referral to felony drug court. There should be no contact and restitution, if any, to Michael John McLaughlin. And if you want to have, if there's an issue with restitution, you think it's too high, just let probation know. The judge said, I can have a restitution hearing. And then we'll have that hearing and we'll call Ms. Bill. 150 hours of community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination with a booster. Court is not requiring you to do that, but if you do, 40 of those hours will be waived. I'm going to ask for parenting classes, and we'll do parenting classes with Triple T. And once you complete those parenting classes, which you must, the remaining of your community service hours will be waived. All right. Probation, is there anything else he needs?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No.
Going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You understand? All right, you can go off the record. So, Mr. Perez, they didn't ask for a theft course. I'm going to give you one. Do not take what doesn't belong to you. Do not go into any place that you're not invited to go into. And if a third person is inviting you to some place and someone asks you to leave, you need to leave. But before you even accept their invitation, make sure that they are able to bring a +1. Okay? All right, good luck to you. Probation will go over conditions. Always nice seeing you, Miss Bill.
Good seeing you, Judge.
All right, have a good one.
At first, this case appeared to be a standard burglary plea with both sides expecting the court to approve the agreement, but Judge Boyd wasn't interested in making a quick decision. Instead, she asked questions that revealed a much bigger problem. The defendant admitted using methamphetamine every week, while also caring for his young children rather than responding with immediate punishment. The judge carefully explained why accountability and child safety had to come first. She accepted the plea agreement, but added strict probation conditions, treatment requirements, parenting classes, and supervised contact with the children until he proved he was sober. In the end, this wasn't just a ruling about burglary, it became a lesson about responsibility, addiction, and the value of a genuine second chance. Do you think Judge Boyd made the right decision, or should she have sent him to jail? Instead, let us know your thoughts and subscribe for more real courtroom stories every week.